Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to learn how to draw brows in the simplest form with a spoolie, a fluffy brush, and a pencil and an angled brush. We have two concealers. One should be a bit lighter than your skin tone, your shade, and then one should be your exact shade. First off, clean the brows, get rid of any oils to make it dry. Get your spoolie and brush the brows upwards, get them in place, a form of prepping before the pencil goes in, or a brow cream or brow powder or brow gel. Next, you get your pencil. You're going to make 3 dots, one at the beginning of the brow, one midway, that is on the brow bone where the curve is, and then the end. We are going to link these 3 dots to create the base of the brow. That is going to be the first line we are creating for the brow. Make it gently in short strokes so that you are sure to get at least a straight line, not very straight, but so that it's not ragged. Short strokes. We're going to do the same thing at the top. We are going to make 3 dots at the beginning, one on the brow bone, and then we join to the first line at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. We are joining short strokes as you join so that you are sure you are getting an evenly spaced brow. So first, after we are done with the outline, we fill in the brows. You see the spaces in the brow where you can see the skin, we fill it in so that everything looks filled up. We fill it in and then we leave space at the beginning of the brow so that we are able to create some faded effect that looks more realistic. It looks more realistic than having a thick beginning at the brow. Get your spoolie now. We are going to brush the brow again, but this time we are trying to spread out the strokes that we have created in the outline, inside of the outline. We're going to even it out. We're going to spread it out. And as we use the spoolie to brush, you realize that it picks some of the color that you have already filled in. Then you use the brush to brush the beginning of the brow. That is where you create the faded effect. But you have to be gentle. Hold the end of the brush so that your hands are light. If you are holding it close to the bristle, it's going to be heavy. Now we're going to clean up with the concealer. A lighter color below and a darker color, not darker than your skin tone, but exactly your skin tone on top. Hold the brush, hold the angled part like this, and then you clean right from the brow bone to the end. Then you work your way to the front, all in short strokes, so that you can easily blend and avoid mistakes. After that, you get your fluffy brush and then you tap and drag, also in short strokes. Make sure to lift your brows as you do that to blend. We are blending the concealer into the skin. You tap and drag and tap and drag to get rid of any harsh lines. That is exactly what I'm doing. Follow these steps and you're going to get the same results. You're going to do the same thing for the top of the brow, but this time with a concealer that is my shade. I prefer using foundation for that, so you can use a foundation. Let the flat side of the brush lie on your forehead so that it's easier for you to draw. You clean and draw short strokes slowly. As you draw the short strokes, you drag it. As you draw the short strokes, you drag it and follow the brow that you have drawn. Follow the outline that you have drawn, but make sure you are cleaning any smudged ones to make the brows look sharp. After that, you get your fluffy brush and blend it into the skin again. You tap or you dab and drag, you dab and drag in short strokes. You dab and you drag in short strokes. So this is a simple way to draw your brow. I'd like to see you draw your brows using this method and let's know how this method helped you. Look at that. It's as simple as that. Very simple. Try and let's see. Thank you.